Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And today we're going to be creating a beautiful lip combo that every dark skin girl should learn how to do. First of all, I'm lining my lips. As you can see, I'm trying to get this bigger, fuller upper lip, so I overline that. That is a hack I'm sure that most people know about, but if you don't know about it, when you overline your lips, you give the illusion that your lips is bigger, and when you underline your lips, it gives it this smaller lip shape. So yeah, I used a matte lipstick. I'm using my Ever Beauty matte lipstick for my first base. It must always be a matte lipstick so that the other colors other shades that you're going to apply will blend in perfectly with the lipstick. I've never seen anyone using gloss, and I've never used gloss to use as my first base. Now, as you can see, it's popping already. I could have gone like this, look at this. I could have gone like this, but I was like, let me just add on something else. So I'm adding on the second base. I'm adding on a nude orange shade to complete the lipstick look, and it's so beautiful, guys. Look at this. Now I'm just doing a finishing touches. Look at this, guys. This is the lip without gloss. I later on applied gloss because I just wanted it to last longer and I wanted it to shine. So yeah, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and share this video to whoever needs it. And yeah, comment down below your thoughts and how you do your own lip combo routine. Bye guys.